Wherever you see, it's all sea. Wherever you see up, it's all blue. Whether you see the sky, whether you see the sea, it's all blue.
Hello everyone, I'm Ritika Singh from TMI, and for this video I asked 5 captains and chief engineers one basic question, and that is, how is life at sea? It is a very common question that comes in mind of every merchant navy aspirant. So now let us hear about it from these inspiring seafarers.
Life at sea is absolutely brilliant. I loved every second of it. There's travel, the money is good, you get to interact with people from different nationalities, you get to eat different cuisines. It's an adventure and you get paid for it. That's the best part.
Life is different. It is challenging at times and sometimes very stressful because we have to work with very limited resources on board, as you know. And we are also dependent on each other, our colleagues, both physically, personally, professionally. And so it is more of a teamwork which you have to inculcate on board. And secondly, you must follow timely routines. Unlike what we do ashore, we are not bothered about timings. We generally try to prolong things. But on board your ships, you have to keep yourself organized. And you must evaluate every work we do, keeping in mind the resulting consequences. Life is pretty organized at sea, and there are procedures for each and everything we do. Planning and execution of this is equally important to get the desired result. And of course, the margin of error in all this is zero. So profession is quite demanding. If you ask me how is merchant navy, it is very, very demanding, and especially nowadays, things are becoming even more difficult with more regulations, rules, and inspections, and of course this pandemic has even exponentially increased the difficulty in terms of signing off and people getting off, prolonging the contracts. So we have to adapt. So there is no other way. So yes, to put it in a nutshell, profession is very demanding.
Life at sea, if you ask me, it is fantastic. Means I don't think I can use any other words, but it is really fantastic life, because you add up plus and minuses. What do you get? Sort of a routine work, no traveling, you're breathing fresh air, you're drinking pure water, no contaminants around. Plus, you have got spare time. Why? Because you don't travel, so you have got spare time. Spare time can be utilized in playing light games and all the way we like to play. Whether it's a table tennis, is that accommodation is comfortable, temperature control, humidity controlled, and I suppose what more can you really ask for? Absolutely fantastic life when you look at or you compare with what is ashore.
Okay, the first question is, how is life at sea? Life at sea is beautiful. You get that at sea which you do not get here at shore. So the question comes that what different is there at sea? You have, to begin with, you have pure atmosphere, good people all around you, and you are in the middle of sea, wherever you see, it is all sea. Wherever you see up, it's all blue. Whether you see the sky, whether you see the sea, it's all blue. The other advantage there is that you have no disturbance from shore, no politics, no pollution. You have no interference from any shore people. Like here, when you go out, you have so much pollution, sound pollution, air pollution. There is no sound pollution, no air pollution. So that is why personally I feel life at sea is like a virtue. It is like a boon given by God, apart from the job which you are doing there. The other advantages which you get free of cost, that is unbelievable.
life at sea is very wonderful. It is mix. It is a mix of different things. Like sometimes it is very challenging. Sometimes it is very adventurous. Sometimes it is you feel homesick, and it's very rewarding many of the times. So that is all I can say about the life at sea, and I really miss it.